Hey everyone, welcome to Valor's channel. Today I'll show you how to farm potion plants in Terraria. We need a dryad to buy planter boxes. Let's buy the boxes we need to grow our plants. Next we need to get the seeds. Break plants to get the seeds we need. It might take time, they don't always drop. Keep trying. I found a daybloom seed. I'll place our planter box and put the seed in it to grow. You can make a big flower bed, plant seeds, and harvest more. That's all for now. This has been Valor. See you later.